Welcome to this beautiful journey of creativity, warmth, and festive magic. Today, we will dive into the world of festival ornaments, decor, and wall hanging, and also explore how these little handcrafted treasures can grow into a rewarding business. So, in this video, you can watch beautiful designs, beautiful decor ideas, beautiful decoration ideas with beautiful little tiny ornaments and hardworking also. As the season of joy approaches, people look for unique ways to decorate their homes, to add touch of personality and heart into every corner. While the season Xmas tree often takes center stage, wall decor and empty spaces can truly transform a home into a festive wonderland when decorated thoughtfully. Imagine walking into a room and seeing a delicate arrangement of ornaments hanging gracefully on the wall. Shimmering baubles, golden bells, handmade stars, and tiny wreaths align in patterns. These wall hanging not only add color and making them versatile and gorgeous, timeless. So hope you all these ideas is very useful for you. You can craft them from wood, fabric, recycled bottles, or even clay. The charm lies in the personal touch. A hand painted snowflakes or a rustic jute ornament speaks louder than anything store bought. Here are some creative and simple ideas. Ornaments garland, string together colorful baubles with ribbon or fairy lights to create a glowing garland. Wooden frame hanger, use an old frame, tie ornaments with threads and hang it on the wall like an art piece. Rustic ladder display, take a small wooden ladder, hang bells and stars across it and lean it against the wall. Boho macrame ornaments, combine macrame with beads and tiny Xmas charms for a modern aesthetic. Nature-inspired touch, use pine cones, cinnamon sticks and dried orange tied together with twine. Perfect for a farmhouse-style wall hanging. Each of these ideas is not only inexpensive but also deeply personal. Beyond decoration, a mindful practice, the slow process of tying, painting, and arranging ornaments brings peace and reduces stress during the often hectic holiday season. Crafting with family, especially children, makes the decor more meaningful, more vibes, more remembering. Every ornament carries a memory, every hanging tells a story. Now let's talk about how you can grow a business with this art. Christmas ornaments and wall hanging have a huge seasonal demand, but with smart planning, they can also be sold year round. People love supporting handmade products during Xmas fairs and pop-up markets. Online platforms, say Instagram and Facebook shop, are perfect to showcase your art. A well-photographed ornament can travel across the globe. Custom orders offer personalization, name on baubles, initial on stars, or even themed color platters. People love gifts that feel exclusive, eco-friendly brandly. Highlight the use of recycled or natural materials. Sustainability is a powerful selling point today. Teach DIY ornaments making either online or in person. This creates another income stream and spreads your brand name. By starting small, make 20-30 handmade pieces and reinvesting profits, you can gradually scale up.